Bang! Neves Knives. I'm Jared. My lovely wife Kara is at work, and just in case if you didn't see the secondary knife that's going into this month's Patreon giveaway, it's the CJRB Aria next to the Hornet. I feel like it's a nice secondary knife to the Hornet. One being the full size and one being the smaller knife. We have an unboxing sent from Benjamin, and I would wait for Kara to get home, but I know she's going to be so pooped by the time she gets home. She's not going to care about being on camera, so I'm not even going to ask her to do it. I will just let her check them out when she gets home. Take off my watch. All right, let's get into this. I'm actually really excited about opening these. Yeah, let's just get to it. First up, this one is the Tucson TS230. None of these I've checked out, so I don't know. Oh yeah. Let's just move these out of the way really quick, and I'll pull them in as we come. Very cool. Look at that milling. Man, you gotta love Tucson's. And that looks like a clip that works good. It does too. Good job, Tucson. Good job. And I didn't have no problem just now with right there, but let's flick it. Whoa, that was too easy. I didn't even mean to flick it yet. Holy cow. Wow, that is ridiculously smooth. Holy man. Oh my god, this thing is so easy to flick. It's like beyond easy. And it still has a nice detent. Wow, this is awesome. I like this. Kara's gonna fall in love with this thing. And now she's probably gonna be mad that I did unbox it first. Very, very cool. This is awesome. Can you top flip it? No, I don't think so. No, it's not for that. But, bang. Yeah, this is pretty cool. What kind of steel is this? 14C28N. Ooh, that's some good blade geometry, too. Man, that thing gets nice and thin. Look at that. Nice, tall, flat grind. Oh, that's going to be awesome. The grind looks pretty even. Almost perfect. Yeah, that thing's ridiculous. I really like that. Okay, next one. I'll put these back after the video. I don't want to waste your guys' time. Look at me putting these back. Okay, now this one is the TS59 and M390. I have not checked this one out either, so, you know, I know you guys think, I've checked out a lot of Tucson's, but there's so many that it's hard to check them all out without going poor. That's an odd looking clip. I wonder how that... It's not horrible. Goes in and out, not too bad. It just kind of needs a little bit better ramp going in, but it's not as bad as a lot of their clips. Tucson's used to have, and this is one of their older models because this is the TS59, right? 59, I think it said. Yeah, TS59. So this is an older model. Beautiful action. A little bit late detent, but very smooth. Nice ergos. Why do I feel like this is zoomed in? It is zoomed in. What an idiot. Very cool. See, their older models, they didn't mill out a lot. Like now, all their newer models, they do milling. Let me see if this one had... Oh, this one doesn't have any milling. And that's one of the newer ones, but it's a smaller knife, though. But a lot of their newer knives, they mill out. This is very, very cool. I like the action. The access to the lock bar is very easy. Very cool. And I like... Oh, is this a Jap... Yeah, this one's a Japanese tanto. I like Japanese tantos. Nice little up sweep right there, and then you can, and it's M390. That's very cool. I love the milling that Tucson does, and this one's all like, I'm not gonna say aggressive, but it's a deep milling, which I really like. Like, you see how this one's a little more shallow, and then this one's nice and deep. I like that. All right, let's get to the next one. Okay, so this one, which side's been open? This side? No? Oh, this side, this side. Oh, yeah. Make me some Sabibis. Okay. I think this one's the Shard. Am I right? Woo! That's a nice middle finger flick. Man, Savivi's just doing an amazing job. I think this is the Shard. Let me look at this. Oh no, the Little Fiend. It's the Little Fiend. It's, yeah, okay. This is so cool. I almost got this. I did almost get this. Man, these Savivis, man. I love this blade shape. Is like one of my favorite blade shapes. Nice finger choil. Beautiful finger choil. And it's small too. It's not like a big knife, but you can still get a full grip on it. So it's like kind of like a full-size knife for people that don't like big knives, because it still could be considered a full-size knife. It's just, it's not a you know, it's it's not one of these. But yeah, it's even look at it compared to the Tucson. This is a full-size knife, so you can see the difference there. All right, let's get to this next one. This video. Oh wait, let me just say, nice access to the lock bar, flipping action. You know, Sabibis, they always have great action. Let's try a thumb flick. Oh yeah, that's not bad. That's actually very easy. Yeah, love the finger choil / sharpening choil. It just makes it so much easier to sharpen a knife. And this is a factory edge. The one thing I'm surprised on is I'm surprised they didn't come down a little bit right here, that they kind of lined it up, because now during the sharpening it's basically going to line up with this part, which is cool, because guess what, they missed the damn plunge grind. Amazing. All right, but it would have been nicer if they gave you like a little bit of room, like a little bit of edge to sharpen off and still have a little bit of drop, but not a big deal at all. Okay, I gotta put all this stuff back after this video. Okay, now you guys already see the top of it. Let's get into it. I'm not waiting. Ooh, Slicey Dicey was telling me I needed to check one of these babies out, and I said yes I do. Yes I do. Ooh, this is the Hinderer Jurassic, and I've never seen a finish like this. It's like, I mean, it's like dinosaur scales. Beautiful titanium. This is my favorite kind of titanium. Look at that. Stonewash to the max. I love it. All right, let's get a flick going. Now, let me just say, a lot of people, you know, like they love the XM18s and everything, but everybody seems to agree that this is a better knife, like all around. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Oh, the ergos. Oh my God. Now that's ergos. Holy cow. That just, my hand, I mean, I don't know about anybody else's hand, but for my hand, my hands aren't fat. They're big hands. They're not fat, you know. And this feels good. I mean, if even just right here, like the placement here and here, that feels good. And then if I want to creep up right there, that feels good. Even just right there where the jimping is feels good, but my thumb can go over too. And like you can see how, like, even though I'm holding back here, how my thumb even still goes past right there, but it feels really good. All right, let's try this action out. Sorry if I'm letting it get blurry. Thumb studs. Oh, yeah. You gotta love the detent. And you know what? I will say, this is a lot more comfortable of a flipper than the XM18. Yeah. I can tell the detent isn't as strong either, which is not a bad thing. I'm saying it's still a strong detent on this, but the XM18, at least the last one I had, it was almost too hard. And it might have been that it's the exact same. It's just that this damn thing was so pokey. And on this one, it's amazing to sit here and flick. Like, I could sit here and do this all day. At least it seems like it right now, without it hurting my hand. This is a great knife. Let's check that edge out. You guys know I like to check my edges. Oh yeah, S35. It's got the tri-way. I'm gonna zoom in. Let's check it out on camera together because I haven't looked at it yet. So, factory edge. It looks pretty even. Looks pretty even. The tip might be slightly, yeah, the tip's off, but not a big deal. Not a big deal. This is amazing. Benjamin, thank you so much. Also, I forgot to sit here and say, shout out to our Patreon, Benjamin, for supporting us and sending us such amazing knives. You know, you guys in the community and everybody that supports us, you guys are what keeps us going, and we really can't even thank you guys enough. I mean, you guys sit here and hear us thank you, right? But it means more to us. Like, it really does. Like, we can't thank. I really mean that when I say we can't thank you guys enough. The things you guys say to us, the things you guys do for us, it means the world to us. I mean, beyond the channel, beyond the knives, just you guys support us so much, and the fact that we have people out there that do support us, I mean, it you know, it puts a tear to my eyes, seriously. Thank you guys so much. We love you guys. Peace.